girls have been great. They've been hilarious. They've been abusing me. No más abuso a los hombres, okay? They've been abusing me as a man. Kind of sounds weird. Sorry. Not like that, but they all ganged up on me and started a snowball gang war. It's on now. It's on. We'll get him.
Yo, Violet's got an arm.
Well, you know, practice makes perfect.
Vicious Violet.
She was trying to get at me for something that I did to her in the past.
Her snowball fights are the kind of snowball fights that will leave you with a concussion.
It's all truly in the arm technique.
It was so intense and painful.
It's just a game, Vicious Violet.
No, that hurt. Violet got a good throw, yo.
You can understand, Violet's been quiet the entire day. But as soon as we started this snowball fight, it's like the inner beast unleashed within her. It was just... that was awesome.
Girls are savages, man. Not cool. Ganging up on me. Really? Esto es abuso. This is why you don't go on a trip with just girls. They gang up on you and they start abusing you like when you're at your most vulnerable. Alright. Y'all screwed, okay? Yeah. But if you come prepared, it's not too bad. The only thing I can't really feel are my cheeks, you know? There's nothing really that can cover your cheeks, but that's all good. It's probably around 20 degrees. It's nothing below zero, thank God. But it's still cold enough, you know? That's right, see? The man is out here chilling, doing his thing. Girls inside cooking. I'm kidding. Look at all y'all getting offended. Relax. I'm gonna help out cooking. Okay, I'm gonna help in a second. I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna take a shower first, I'm gonna organize my stuff, and then like around the time they're done, then I'm gonna go help them. Again, I'm kidding, look at your face. Listen, okay, I'm all about women equality, alright? I stand up for women's rights. That's right. Cooking up in the kitchen, don't mind my hair, it's a little crazy. This is snow hair, that's what I call snow hair. Guess what we having tonight? Once a Pathfinder, always a Pathfinder strong. It's haystacks up in Iceland, y'all.
Completely amazed and truly super tired.
I can tell you're super tired, yeah. Just woke up and it basically looks like it's been snowing all night. Wake up.
I knew it.
We were supposed to explore some waterfalls today. I don't know if we're gonna get to these areas or not.
Angel's about to run outside in shorts to turn on the car for this morning. He's crazy. Completely crazy. Oh my goodness.
Look at him. And it's literally, we have a blizzard going on outside. And there he comes. Oh my. Oh, what did he do?
Let's see.
That was nothing. That was nothing.
Wow, I can feel the wind right here where I'm standing. I'm not even outside.
It's very, very snowy out there.
How did that feel, Angel?
Fresh. This place looks a lot different than yesterday. But it is still beautiful. Anyways, we gotta go. We gotta get out of the store. Trying to get out of the driveway.